2023 has been an interesting year. On 27th of April, we posted the first video on this channel, and a lot has happened since then. Today we talk about how the channel did in 2023 and what our plans are for 2024. Let's begin. Around the beginning of the last year, maybe February or March, I proposed in a weekly meeting to start a YouTube channel. I wanted to do this for a long time, and I realized that through the talent universe, I can do it exactly the way I want to do it. To make content about what I love: music, videography, photography, and technology as well. So as I said, the first video that we posted was on 27th of April 2023, and it was a video about autotune, how it started, how it evolved, and how it goes now. And that video is important to me because it made me realize how hard it is to make YouTube. Set up lighting, to make sure that you got the correct settings on the camera, to stay in front of the camera and talk, a thing which I'm still struggling with even now. Then record everything, make sure that you're coherent while speaking, import everything into the computer, edit, and make sure that the video meets the standards that you have imposed yourself at the very beginning. And that's not even all. Before recording, you have scripting and fact-checking, and after editing, you have YouTube optimization, because you want your video to get to as many people as you want. So I took my time to make a plan, to establish what I want to do first, the length of the videos, the type of content, and very important, how often I want to post. So until the beginning of September, well, actually 31st of August to be more precise, I did nothing. Just planning, thinking about it, and we decided that we want to do short videos at the beginning, 2 to 4 minutes, informative, and mostly about sound and music, sound engineering most of the times. We talked about EQing, compression, and stuff like fundamentals of sound, so mostly theory-based stuff, audio theory-based stuff. But the plan was to increase the length of the videos and, very important, start making practical sessions. Because theory is nothing without me showing you guys how to implement it in reality, in music projects for example. We posted the first practical session in October, and from there everything has changed. We have experienced a very odd but interesting and beautiful rise of the channel. For context, before we were at maybe 50 to 100 views per video. We were at the beginning, and suddenly this video comes in and changes our vision completely. We were like, we finally found the recipe, and I think we did. And from there we changed our focus to practical sessions. We realized that this type of content is much more valuable and much more helpful for people who actually want to learn how to make, I don't know, music, photos, videos, you name it. And I'll keep doing so because I also love it, and I love to see people engaging with us, giving us feedback, being thankful for the advices. I'm so happy. With that being said, let's talk about our stats for 2023. The most viewed video on the channel in 2023 was the Mac Mini first impression one, with over 8,300 views. By the way, it just got 10,000. Thank you very much. They got us a total of over 300 subscribers, 317 to be more precise, and most of our viewers are from the United States, 31.1%. Most of the audience is in the range of between 25 to 34 years old, 26.4%, but close to that are the people between 35 and 44 years old, with 22.4%.
Got this at the Guitar Center today. Compliments of those guys. Brand spanking new.
We were expecting to finish the year on something like 200 subscribers, and we never expecting to have a video until the end of 2023 which will reach almost 10,000 views. And I would like to thank everyone for the support that you have given to us. I would like to thank the people who watched our videos, who subscribed, who engaged with us, who gave us feedback, likes, dislikes. Thank you all. You're amazing. And I promise you that we will keep doing this. We aim to improve the quality of our content as well as the quantity, which takes me to the third part, our plans for 2024. So let's see. Okay, so 2024 is going to be a busy year. First things first, it's the year when we will probably hit monetization. And we decided that, at least for a while, all the money that comes from YouTube will go back into YouTube. As in, new equipment, a new home studio, and stuff for reviews, be it music equipment, audio, photo, software, tech reviews in general, I have proposed to myself to make more tech related videos. Meanwhile, before we hit monetization, I want to start posting at least twice a week. Right now, we are posting, let's say, once in a week and a half, and I don't think it's enough. As I said, this is time consuming, but I'm willing to put a bigger effort and make this happen. Also, this year I'll start making live streams. I got a lot of ideas for it. Right now I'm getting everything sorted, like the equipment, the software part, but expect to see me on live streams soon enough. Another thing that we consider as being important and pivotal to our growth is the collaborations. We're not in that point yet, but I believe that soon enough I will be able to go to companies and ask them to give me their products, their software, to test them, to show you how well they perform in the real life. And last but not the least, we want to build a community. We want everything that we offer to be centered around you guys. Not only the YouTube channel, but also our very own platform, website, which right now is in beta version, and we invite people to go there and join, it's free by the way, and give us feedback to tell us how it performs and how it should perform, what they would like to find on a platform like this, what it's something that would be very useful for them, I mean for you. We believe that this is important. Everything that comes out from a company, be it a physical product or a software or anything like that, you name it, it should be useful for the customers. It should resolve customers' issues. So yeah, this is how we see 2024. I know that it might be different, but I hope and I'm quite sure that it will be different in a good way. Thank you very much to everyone who joined us here on YouTube. I invite you to go on thetalentuniverse.com and check that one as well. I'm very thankful for everything, and right now I'm more motivated than ever to do this and work on this with everything that I have. Also, I would love to hear your feedback. What would you like to see on this channel? What type of content? What would you like us to cover? Because it's very important. We want to help you. And as usual, don't forget that like, share, and the subscribe are very helpful for us and give us even more motivation. And until the next time, take care of yourself. Bye bye.